not a car, this is a declaration of war. Meet the BYD YangWang U8L. The L stands for long wheelbase. But it should stand for lunatic. You think a G-Wagon or an Escalade is a flex? Those are cute toys compared to this. This is an 18-foot, 1,200 horsepower amphibious tank. It costs less than a supercar but has more tech than the International Space Station look. At this face, this is the Timegate Gorilla Galaxy of LEDs and that logo in the middle. On this L version, it's not plastic. It is solid 24-karat gold. You are literally driving with jewelry on your face, but you don't care about gold, you care about power. This uses the E4 platform, 4 independent electric motors plus a 2-liter turbo engine that only charges the battery. Total output 1,180 horsepower. It weighs 4 tons but hits 0 to 60 in 36 seconds. That is faster than a Bugatti Veyron was 10 years ago, and because every wheel has its own motor, it can do this. The tank turn, it spins 360 degrees in one spot, perfect for tight parking or just showing off. But here is the feature that breaks your brain. It floats if you drive into a deep lake. The car seals the engine, closes the windows, and becomes a boat. The wheels spin to push you through water at 2 miles per hour. Is it a gimmick? Yes. Is it the coolest thing ever? Also, yes, inside, it's like a private jet designed by a tech billionaire. You get a massive curved old screen that flows like a waterfall, but look at the roof. That box isn't luggage, it's a drone dock. Press a button and a DJI drone launches, follows your car, films your drive, and lands itself back on the roof. It is the ultimate influencer flex jump to the back. This is the L version. So the legroom is comical. These are zero-gravity captain's chairs while you stare at the starry sky roof. The seat gives you an 18-point hot stone massage, not just vibrations, actual mechanical rollers. And check this console, it has a real compressor. Fridge that makes ice, not a cooler box of fridge, warm tea or frozen Coke. Your choice driving this 8,000-pound monster is confusing. It has a hydraulic suspension that deletes body roll. You turn, it stays flat. You hit a pothole, the sensors erase it. It's like riding a magic carpet. So the price in China, this costs around $180,000 USD. That's roughly 15 crore rupees before taxes. A Rolls Royce Cullinan is double that price and it doesn't float. A G-Wagon has half the power. This car proves the legacy brands are in trouble. So, would you buy the badge or the floating tank? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Wheel Verdict for more insane cars. Peace.